In today's video, I'll teach you how to add links to UpScrolled bio. First of all, launch open UpScrolled application. You can see over here UpScrolled application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the profile interface of UpScrolled. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to add the link to the bio, what you have to do is tap on this option, edit profile, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to edit your profile information. So what you have to do is simply tap on this option for links that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to add the link to your bio. So for that, tap on this option, add link, that you can see on the screen. Make sure you've copied the link URL. So first of all, enter the link title over here. Simply give the title. For me, I'm just going to enter Instagram. Now once you do that, enter the link URL over here. Tap on the field of enter link URL. Now paste the URL that you copied. Now once you do that, tap on this option save, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here this link has been added. Now you can go back. Now tap on the right icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, it will be updated. Now in your bio, you'll be able to see the link. If somebody taps on the link, you can see over here, they'll be able to open it. So that is how you add link to bio on UpScrolled. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.